What up, everybody? I'm the hiking chef. I have a super special episode for you guys today. I'm gonna show you guys how to cook al pastor street tacos at the top of Ontario Peak. You will not want to miss this episode. This is a 12.1 mile hike with about 3,700 feet elevation gain. It's a beautiful hike. I'm gonna do it with my best friend, the Tank. Let's go check it out. After 7 a.m. and we are about 2 miles in on Icehouse Canyon Trail, and the trail is starting to get a little bit busy, but we started pretty early. It's not as crowded as it will be. I highly recommend starting early. It's super beautiful out too. The sun's just barely starting to creep up over the mountains and it's nice and cool out. How do you feel today, Tank?
I feel good.
Next stop is going to be the intersection of Cedar Glen Trail and then Icehouse Canyon Saddle, about 1.5 miles away. Almost to the saddle, and everyone who's been coming down from there has been saying it's really windy, and I can hear it right now. It just sounds like the wind is howling, but that's what Icehouse Saddle is known for, is really strong weather. So we'll see what it looks like here. Just left Icehouse Saddle. Next stop is Kelly Camp. Kelly Camp actually used to be a resort that someone built in the 1900s for people to camp at, and then it got demolished, and now it's just, you can just see the foundation. That's the next stop. That's a good stop to take a rest. Just happy to be out here with the Tank. Passing right through Kelly Camp, no wind, and there's some deer just kind of hanging out right here, maybe about 20 yards away. Super rad.
Life come at you quick. Do the visions of your past, make you tend to reminisce. By the times you was bad, by the times you was pissed, by the times you was sad, and you was marking up your wrist. Hey, you gotta live, learn to love your life and see how beautiful it is. You can be yourself, you know you got a lot to give. Fruit grow in the valley, baby, not up on the cliff. Step into the light, leave your fear behind. You will see the heights, prayed into your life. Yeah, if you want to, it's upon you. Don't look back now, it will haunt you. Look beyond you.
We're up at this false summit here, but beautiful view.
For you, so bright, the time is now. For you, your life. Don't wait 'cause you can't afford it. Don't wait 'cause you can't afford it. Voice in your head, don't ignore it. You gotta learn to live in the moment. Oh yeah.
made it to a false summit and we're really close, probably a quarter mile away from the top. We're both getting hungry. I can't wait to cook some street tacos up there. All right, the tank and I have just been talking. We just met Jose, shout out to you. He's the leader of Teachers That Hike, and we'll probably join one of their hikes pretty soon. It was great meeting you, Jose. We were just talking about how many false peaks there are on this hike, so look out for that. Check out the views on these false peaks. It's gorgeous. We're really close. Just gotta go a little bit around this right here. And we got some people just relaxing over here, just enjoying it. It's awesome.
The time is now for you. Your life. Don't wait 'cause you can't afford it.
This is one of my favorite sections of the hike. You're just right on top of the ridge line, fully exposed, and then it's the last ascent to the top to Ontario Peak. All right, everybody, the last final ascent. We made it to Ontario Peak. I'm gonna cook my famous al pastor street tacos. I can't wait to show you guys. We can't wait to eat, so let's get started.
All the time. I've been. You know what? I've been. All the time. All the time. I've been. I've been. All the time. All the time. All the time. I've been. You know what? I've been. All the time. All the time. I've been. I've been. All the time. All the time.
Right now, I am just sauteing the al pastor. I'm making sure it's thoroughly cooked. It's diced, so it shouldn't take too long to cook. And then from there, I'm just gonna leave it in the pan and just build tacos to order. Super easy, you know, not too many ingredients, really simple. The only thing I'm really missing today, and I shouldn't even say it, is some fresh salsa. Sorry, I forgot it, but you know, you can always do that yourself on your own. I'm kind of hoping some more people come up here to Ontario Peak so I can share some tacos with them. famous Al Pastor street tacos. Super easy to do. The trick is just get a lot of lime. It makes it just twice as better. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful view at the top of Ontario Peak. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors. Ontario Peak. Just enjoyed some delicious street tacos. Passed them around to some people up there. They loved them. Just great love and support from everybody. I feel really good hiking with this guy right here, the tank. We're doing really good. We're headed back. We're really happy. And yeah, let's check out the rest of the trail. We made our way back down to Kelly Camp, a lot more shaded over here, which we appreciate. And yeah, this is used to be a mining claim, a mining camp here, and we're standing on a foundation of what was probably a really big building. And then from a mining camp, they made it into a like a lodge or resort for hikers to stay at. Somewhere in time it just got demolished and they took it down, and this is what's left. So pretty cool. It's a lot of backpackers like to camp here, and then some at the peak. There's like not a lot of people out. We're getting close to the truck here on ICEHOUSE Canyon Trail. Today we ran into 2 subscribers or 2 viewers. Shout out to Jose from Teachers at Trek. Shout out to you, Manny, and your son Josh. You were backpacking up here. That was really awesome. Thank you so much for the love, you guys. Me and the tank are almost back to the trucks. We did a total of 13 miles, so pretty good day. I have some special news for everybody. I'm gonna be having a baby boy pretty soon. My beautiful wife is pregnant, so there's a little hiking baby on the way. I'm really excited for that. And thanks so much everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. And if you want to see more hiking and cooking outdoors, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next episode.